This 5-minute solution will show you how to add bio to your Facebook page. To add a bio to your page, you have to open Facebook on your computer browser. And now we need to switch to the page. So click on your profile and click on See All Profiles. And now select your Facebook page to work with. And now go to your page profile. And now here you will get this Add Bio option. So click on that. And now you can easily write here your page bio, and you can add 255 characters in this bio section. Once done, all you have to do is just click on save. And that's it. This is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.